Students, this video mathematics and real numbers part 6 we are going to solve exercise 8.2 second question, that is find the LCM and HCF of following pairs of integers and verify that the product of LCM and HCF is equals to product of two numbers. So we have to find LCM and HCF of two given integers, and also we have to verify that the product of LCM and HCF should be equals to product of the given two numbers. So here I have considered these two questions. First one is 96 and 404, and second one is 510 and 92. First I will consider first question, that is 96 and 404. So these are the two given integers. So we have to find out HCF and LCM of these two, and also we have to find out the product of these two numbers should be equals to product of HCM and LCM. So now I will consider 96 and I will divide by using this method. So I will divide from 2 first. So we have to divide from a prime number. So I will take first 2, since we have 6 at last. So 9. So here 9 is there. So 2 4s are 8, 1 is the carry, then 2 8s are 16. So again from 2 2s are 4 and 2 4s are 8, and again divide from 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So again we can divide from 2, 2 6s are 12. So again we can divide from 2, 2 3s are 6. Now we have 3 here, we cannot divide from 2. So since we have 3 here, I will go with a 3, because 3 also a prime number. So we have to divide by using only prime numbers. So 3 1s are 3. So now the remainder we got is 1. So there is no further division. So now the number 96, so this integer 96 can be written as, see, product of these two prime numbers, product of all these prime numbers. So I have explained this in last video. So we have 1 2 3 4 5, we have 5 times 2. So write 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 5 times. Then we have 3 here, 3. So 96 we can written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So we have 5 times 2, so we can write like this, 2 power 5. So since we have 5 times, see, 1 2 3 4 5, we have 5 times 2, that's why we can written as 2 power 5 and multiplied with this 3. So the 96, the integer 96 can be written as 2 power 5 into 3. So now consider this 404. So again divide by using same method. So since we have 4 at last number, we can go with 2. So 2 2s are 4, 0 I have written as it is, and 2 2s are 4 again. So again I will go with 2. So 2 1s are 2, 0 I will write as it is, and 2 1s are 2. Sorry, 2 1s are 2. So 101. So 101 itself is a prime number. So I will go with 101. So 101 1s are 101. So we got a remainder as 1. So there is no further division. So now we got prime numbers, that is 2, 2 and 101. So now this 104 can be written as 2 into 2 into 101. Sorry, 404. Sorry, this 404 can be written as 2 into 2 into 101. So we have 2 times 2, that's why we can written as 2 power 2 into this 101. So therefore, so the integer 404 can be written as 2 square into 101, and the one more integer 96 we have written as 2 power 5 and 3. So now we have to find out HCF and LCM of these two integers. See, now to find HCF is the product of smallest power of common prime factor. The product of smallest power of common prime factor. So here, see, in this for 96 we got 2 power 5 and 3. For 404 we got 2 power 2 and 101. To find HCF, the product of smallest power of common factor. So here in these two, I will consider this as equation 1 and this as equation 2. In these two equations, which is the common? See, here 2 is there and here also 2 is there. So 2 is the common, and there is no 3 here and there is no 101 here. So therefore only 2 is the common. In that common, smallest power, so which is having smallest power? Here 2 power 5 is there, here 2 power 2 is there. So 2 power 2 is the smallest power. So the smallest power of common prime factor is the HCF. So therefore HCF of 96 and 404 is 2 power 2, that is 4. So 2 square is 4, because the product of smallest power of common prime factor. So here, so common, only 2 is the common in this 2, and the smallest power means less power. So here 2 power 2 is the smallest power, that's why I have considered HCF as a 2 power 2 and it is 4. So now how to find out LCM? So we have to find out a LCM. So LCM is, again it is a product of greatest power of each prime factor. So here to find out HCF, we consider common prime factor. We consider only common prime factors. So here each prime factor we have to consider along with that greatest power. See here, so 2 power 5, 3, and for 404 it is 2 power 2 and 101. So to calculate LCM, we have to consider product of greatest power of each prime factor. So we have to take greatest power. So among 2 power 5 and 2 power 2, which is the greatest power? 2 power 2. So 2 power 5. So 2 power 5 we can consider as a LCM. Along with that 3 and also 101. So therefore LCM of 96 and 404 is equals to, so we have to consider greatest power of each prime factor. So among 2 power 5 and 2 power 2, which is the greatest power? 2 power 5. So 2 power 5 into 3, this 3 also we have to consider 3, and here we should not consider 2 power 2 because I have already considered this 2 power 5, and we have 101. So this is also we have to multiply 101. So now we have to calculate the value of this. So 2 power 5, so if you multiply 2 5 times, we will get answer 32, and 3 and multiplied with the 101. So now we have to solve this. If you solve this, we will get answer 9696. If you multiply this 32, 3 and 101, you will get answer 96 and 9696. Therefore LCM of 96 and 404 is 9696. So this is the LCM value and this is the HCF value. So we found as HCF as 4 and LCM as 9696. So we got answers and we found out HCF and LCM. So now according to this question, we have also verified that product of LCM and HCF should be equals to product of two numbers. So this we have to verify. Before going to verify that, so I have to consider these two numbers as A and B. You know that highest number consider as A and smallest number should be considered as a B. So now I will consider A as 404 and B as 96. So I considered A as a 404 and B as 96. Now according to the question, the product of A and B, these are the two integers. The product of A and B should be equals to product of HCF and LCM. So this we have to verify. The product of given two integers should be equals to product of HCF and LCM. So now write the values of A and B. So A is 404 multiplied with B is 96, which equals to, so HCF value, so we got HCF as 4, I will substitute here, multiplied with C, we got LCM as 9696. So now we have to multiply these two and also in RHS. So if you multiply 4 with 9696, you will get answer 38784. So you multiply and see, you will get answer 38784. And this side, if you multiply 404 with 96, so I will multiply here 404 multiplied with the 96. So 6 4s are 24. I will write 4, carry 2. So 6 zeros are 0, 0 plus 2, 2, and again 6 4s are 24. And again from 9s are 9 4s are 36, carry 3, and 9 zeros are 0, 0 plus 3, 3, and 9 4s are 36. And if you add, you will get 4, 2 plus 6, 8, 4 plus 3, 7, 2 plus 6, 8, and this 3. See, if you multiply 404 and 96, we will get answer 38784. 38784. See, we got same answers. In LHS and RHS, we got same answers. So this is what we have to verify. So the product of given integers a and b should be equals to product of HCF and LCM. See here, we got here also same answer, here also same answer. So this is the answer. So this is what we have to verify.